Hey, what's up everyone? Henrick Mathieu, your realtor here in Ottawa, and today we toured the Elderberry by Minto, and we are in Mahogany in Manotick. And of course, being in Manotick means that you can enjoy everything in Manotick Village has to offer. Delicious restaurant, cute little shops, coffee, gym, everything you need right there. So the property itself is one of the biggest model that Minto offers. It's on a 52-foot lot, and it's about 3,200 square feet of living space, not including the basement. This one has 4 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, a double car garage. Obviously, the basement is not finished in this one, but there's something that you can do definitely and get a lot more space out of it. So a few features of this property, just to show you how luxury this is. You have the gourmet kitchen with the butler's pantry. You have decorative ceilings all across the first floor. You have wall-to-wall window here in the living room and out the back. You have a gorgeous sweeping staircase in the middle of the property. A 4-piece primary and suite bathroom with his and her sink. And each bedroom has access to their own private or semi-private bathroom. And I think that covers pretty much everything. I'll roll the tour and I'll see you on the other side. So this was the Elderberry by Minto, only available here in Mahogany. A very imposing property with a great layout. As you guys probably figured out by now, I am the go-to agent here in Ottawa for new builds. So if you want to have a conversation or if you want to get the whole process started, my information is in the description down below, as well as a link for you to book a meeting whenever it's convenient. In the meantime, you can download our free new construction guide in the description down below. Helps you avoid expensive mistakes, gets you comfortable with the whole process of buying a new build. That can be quite challenging and also very different from what you're probably used to with the resale side. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.